Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best types of catalytic converters that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking for the perfect replacement to improve your vehicle's performance and stay compliant with emissions standards, you're in the right place. Make sure to check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the A Premium Front Catalytic Converter Direct Fit compatible with Honda CR-V and Accord models. This converter is designed with precision to match Honda's 2.4L engines for model years 2013 to 2017. One standout feature is its durable stainless steel construction, which ensures longevity and resistance to corrosion. It's EPA compliant for federal emissions standards, making it a great choice for most states, though it's not legal in California, Colorado, Maine, or New York. In terms of design, the A Premium converter features a 4-bolt welded flange for easy installation and a compact build that makes it a great fit for Honda vehicles. The package includes bolts, ensuring a hassle-free installation process. It's lightweight at just 9.7 pounds, making handling and setup a breeze. Customer reviews highlight the product's excellent build quality and the noticeable improvement in engine smoothness after installation. While this converter is a solid choice for Honda owners, its limited compatibility and restrictions in certain states may make it less versatile compared to other options. However, the 1-year unlimited mileage warranty adds peace of mind. If you drive a Honda CR-V or Accord and need a reliable, easy-to-install catalytic converter, this might be the right fit for you. This is a fantastic option. Pros include its build quality, lightweight design, and included hardware, while cons include its state restrictions and limited vehicle compatibility. At number 4, we have the A Premium Front Catalytic Converter with Gasket Kit, a direct-fit solution for Chevy and GMC models like the Captiva Sport and Equinox. This converter is EPA compliant for federal emissions standards and features a robust stainless steel body for durability. It's designed for 2.4-liter engines and is compatible with model years 2010 to 2017, making it a versatile option for a variety of vehicles in the GM lineup. The design includes a 3-bolt welded flange on the inlet and a 2-bolt welded flange on the outlet, ensuring a secure and leak-free fit. The inclusion of mounting hardware and gaskets is a big plus, simplifying the installation process. Weighing just 13.62 pounds, this converter is relatively lightweight, which makes handling easier. Reviewers have praised its excellent fit and improved engine performance after installation, as well as the 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. However, it's worth noting that this converter is not legal for use in states with stricter emission standards, such as California, Colorado, Maine, and New York. Additionally, while it's a good fit for many Chevy and GMC models, its compatibility is limited to vehicles with specific engine sizes. Overall, this is a great option for GM vehicle owners looking for a reliable and easy-to-install catalytic converter. Pros include its durable build, included hardware, and good fit, while cons include state restrictions and limited compatibility. Coming in at number 3, we have the A Premium Front Catalytic Converter Kit, which is designed for Chevrolet and GMC models like the Equinox, Captiva Sport, and Terrain. This converter is EPA compliant and built to meet federal emissions standards, making it a suitable option for most states. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the flange-to-flange design simplifies installation. This model is specifically engineered for 2.4-liter engines and is compatible with model years 2010 to 2014. It features a 3-bolt welded flange on the inlet and a 2-bolt welded flange on the outlet, providing a secure fit and optimal performance. Customers have noted its excellent build quality and the noticeable improvement in engine efficiency after installation. The included gaskets and bolts make the installation process seamless, which is a big plus for DIY enthusiasts. While this product offers great value, it's worth noting that it's not CARB compliant and therefore not legal for use in California, Colorado, Maine, or New York. Additionally, its compatibility is limited to specific GM models. That said, the 1-year unlimited mileage warranty adds peace of mind. If you own a compatible GM vehicle and need a reliable, high-quality catalytic converter, this is a fantastic choice. Pros include its sturdy construction, included installation hardware, and good performance, while cons include its state restrictions and limited compatibility. At number 2, we have the Odyssey Catalytic Converter Replacement, which offers wide compatibility across Nissan models like the Frontier, Pathfinder, and Xterra. This EPA-compliant converter is designed for 4.0 engines and is built to meet OEM specifications, ensuring high-quality performance. Its stainless steel construction provides durability and resistance to high temperatures and pressures. The Odyssey converter features a flange-to-flange design with bolt-on connections, making installation a breeze. It's equipped with all the necessary hardware, including gaskets, which simplifies the replacement process. Customers have reported noticeable improvements in engine performance and fuel efficiency after installation. And the lightweight design at just 20.4 pounds makes handling easier. However, this model is not CARB compliant, so it's not legal in states with stricter emission standards. Additionally, while it offers broad compatibility, it's designed specifically for Nissan and Suzuki vehicles, which may limit its appeal to other car owners. Overall, this is a great option for Nissan owners looking for a reliable and easy-to-install catalytic converter. Pros include its durable build, wide compatibility, and included hardware, while cons include state restrictions and limited vehicle applicability. Finally, at number 1, we have the PHILTOP Catalytic Converter Kit, which stands out as the best overall option for its incredible performance and value. Designed for GM vehicles like the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, and Yukon, this converter is EPA compliant and built to meet OEM specifications. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the high-flow design improves conversion efficiency and vehicle performance. The PHILTOP converter features bolt-on connections and a flange-to-flange design, making installation straightforward. It comes with all necessary hardware, including gaskets, ensuring a hassle-free replacement process. At 26.5 pounds, it's slightly heavier than some competitors, but this contributes to its robust construction. Customers have praised its excellent fit and noticeable improvements in engine power and efficiency. The lifetime warranty is a standout feature, giving buyers confidence in their investment. While this model is not CARB compliant, and therefore not legal in states like California, Colorado, Maine, and New York, it remains an excellent choice for most other states. Its compatibility with a wide range of GM vehicles makes it versatile, and its competitive price of $303.29 offers great value. Pros include its high-quality build, full installation kit, and lifetime warranty, while cons are its state restrictions and slightly heavier weight. If you're looking for the best overall catalytic converter, the PHILTOP Catalytic Converter Kit is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.